What is BMI? BMI is Body Mass Index. It is a comparison of person's height and weight. It is a person's weight divided by the square of height. Its SI unit is kg per square meter. Explain MRI. MRI is a magnetic resonance imaging. It is a medical imaging technique that gives a detailed structure of internal organs, especially soft tissues. MRI uses a strong magnetic field and generates images and models of a specified organ. What are the wave patterns seen in an EEG scan? Wave patterns seen in an EEG scan are delta, state of sleep, theta, drowsiness, alpha, relaxation, beta, active thinking, and gamma. Alpha also contains a mu rhythm. Explain what is the principle behind DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting is the technique of genetic fingerprinting. In this technique, DNA sequence can be used for identification of an individual. The main application of DNA fingerprinting is forensics. The main principle behind DNA fingerprinting is polymerase chain reaction. This technique is also popularly known as DNA profiling. What is pathogens? Name some types of pathogens. Pathogens are those organisms which feeds on other organisms for their food. Pathogens can be transported through many different routes, including airborne, direct or indirect contact or sexual contact, through blood, breast milk or other body fluids, and through the fecal-oral route. Pathogens can be used to suppress pest pollution. Different types of pathogens are viral, bacterial, fungal, etc. What is a microarray? Microarrays are arrays where DNA oligonucleotides of DNA sequences are spotted as a matrix. Microarrays are used in gene expression profiling, single nucleotide polymorphism detection, detection of alternative splicing, etc. Microarrays perform hybridization of cDNA using probes. A microarray chip has the capability to perform a large set of genetic-related experiments simultaneously. Do you know about Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's is a brain disease caused due to tau protein misfolding. It is an incurable disease and can be diagnosed in a PET or MRI scan. Alzheimer's is related more with aging, where the disease is detected in humans more than 65 years of age. The symptoms are memory losses, stress, confusion, and also aggression. Diagnosis is mostly done by behavior-related tests. Do you know about epilepsy? Epilepsy is a neurological disorder. It occurs due to abnormal signals in the human brain. These abnormal signals causes seizures and unconsciousness. Do you know what are the most commonly used technologies in medical imaging? Electron microscopy, computer tomography, radiography, thermography, nuclear medicine, fluoroscopy, ultrasound, positron emission tomography, and magnetic resonance imaging. What is therapeutic cloning? Cloning is a method of duplicating a DNA or a part of the DNA. Therapeutic cloning, otherwise called somatic cell nuclear transfer, is a process where an embryo is utilized. The embryo contains stem cells which can be used in regeneration applications. Embryonic stem cells have the capability of renewing and are pluripotent that can transfer or grow into more than 220 types of cells of the human body. What is biomechanics? Biomechanics applies principles of mechanics to understand and simulate medical problems and systems such as fluid transport and range of motion. Prosthetic organs such as artificial hearts, kidneys, and joints are examples of devices developed by biomedical engineers. What is bioinstrumentation? Bioinstrumentation involves use of engineering principles and methods, including computers, in developing devices for diagnosis and treatment of diseases. Do you know what is biomedical engineering? Biomedical engineering blends traditional engineering techniques with biological sciences and medicine to improve the quality of human health and life. The discipline focuses both on understanding complex living systems via experimental and analytical techniques and on development of devices, methods, and algorithms that advance medical and biological knowledge while improving the effectiveness and delivery of clinical. What do you know about DNA fingerprinting? What are the techniques used for DNA fingerprinting? DNA fingerprinting or genetic fingerprinting is a technique wherein a DNA sequence is used for identification of an individual. It is mostly used in forensics. Polymerase chain reaction and short tandem repeats techniques are commonly used for DNA fingerprinting. What is myoelectric control? Myoelectric control uses the signals from a residual limb for the movement of prosthetics. Myoelectric control technologies obtain signals from the skin on the limbs.